Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying essentials. Check the HyperX Cloud 3 firmware and make sure your device master volume is around 80% so you have headroom. Inspect the 3.5 mm cable for damage and swap to the USB dongle if available. Each connection path can change gain. Once done, turn off system EQ and any loudness normalization so you can hear raw output. These steps isolate variables fast, and they prevent software from masking true volume limits. Now you focus on gain control. Raise the headset inline wheel or USB volume gradually. Big jumps can clip. Listen for distortion. Next, open your operating system sound settings, select the headset, and increase device volume while disabling enhancements which may limit peaks. If volume still lacks punch, add a dedicated headphone amp or external DAC between source and headset. They provide cleaner gain. Make sure to test with music and game audio, so you balance loudness. Finish by tailoring EQ and checking for distortion. Slightly boost low-mid frequencies for perceived loudness and avoid extreme bass that can mask clarity. Test across multiple sources, PC, phone, console, to confirm whether the headset or source limits volume. If you hit distortion, reduce gain immediately. If it remains too quiet, reseat connectors, try a different cable, or use the amplifier. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to another pair of headphones to determine whether the Cloud 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.